So in the previous video, we have seen how to filter data, basic data filtering. Now in this video, we are going to look at some of the other things that we do with data filtering, starting, of course, with clearing your filter. So when you want to clear your filter, two places you can go to clear your filter is either you go to the column that you applied filter on, and if you look at all the column headers, if you have this drop down on, you will see the one that you have applied your filter on is going to have a filter icon. So you can go right there to that particular one, and you can just click on the button that says clear filter from the name of that column. Right now, this option is going to be important, especially when you have filtered on more than a single column, right? So because currently now I have filtered to job description of these two job descriptions, I may go to filter on another column as well. Maybe I'll just go to like staff name column, and I'm going to maybe decide to remove one or two people from there. Then I'm going to click OK. So now I have filtered on two columns, as you can see from the filter icon. Now this is important if I want to clear my filter, but I don't want to clear the filter entirely. So I want to clear only from one side. Maybe I want to clear only from the job description, for example. Then I'll just go to the job description column, and I'm going to click on clear from job description. So the other filter from the staff name is going to remain, right? Or to make it clearer, I will just basically do it from the staff name column, because right now I have removed one or two people from here, but they are still under these JDs. So maybe I might go to the staff name column, click on the drop down, and I'm going to clear filter from staff name, right? So when I clear filter from staff name, then those people that I have removed are no longer going to be removed. All right. Now, the other way for you to clear your filter is to go to the data tab and just use this clear button that you have there. So if I use this clear button, that basically clears the filter on the entire table. So even if I have filters on several columns, by the time I use that clear from that side of my ribbon, then all the filters are going to be cleared. So that's on clearing your filters. Now let's take a look at some other filtering techniques that are also very, very popular. So it might be that I may want to take a look at maybe one staff member. So maybe I go to the staff name column and I pick a single staff member like this, and then I click OK. If I want to pick another staff member, all I'll simply do is go back to the staff name, right? If I don't want this guy again, I untick that guy and I pick a different person. But if I see this guy selected, then I'm going to choose, the next person like this, and I'm going to click OK, right? Now, in the event where you have a long list of values in your data, and you are not exactly sure, or maybe it might be too stressful for you to scroll through everything to go and look for who you are looking for, like this, for example, right? It might be too difficult for you to scroll through, right? So what you may want to do is to use the search side of things, right? So maybe, for example, now I want to filter to Ezra, okay? So if I go to staff name, and I don't want to scroll to go look for Ezra, I will just use the search to type EZ, right? R. Then I can see the Ezra and I can click OK, right? That's me using the search option, to find what I want to filter. Now, if I don't want Ezra again and I want Wyatt or something, then if I go right here and I use the search option to find WY, then I see the Wyatt. If I click OK, then Ezra is gone and only Wyatt is left. But if I want to keep the two of them, then I need to use the other option. So if I go back now, if I search for Ezra now, obviously, if I click OK right now, Wyatt's data is going to be hidden, and I don't want that to be hidden. I want to show the two of them together. Then I'm going to have to click on this option that says add current selection to filter. So when I click OK, I keep the two of them.